Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is part 2 of our camping video. If you have not already watched our first camping video, I highly recommend that you go watch that. If you didn't know, this is Wilson Lake, and we are camping in one of their campgrounds called Lovegrass. We left off last video here at the beach. The sunset was really, really beautiful and amazing. The water was like a mirror with barely any waves. One of our friends launched the drone to go see. If you guys were wondering, these photos and recordings were taken on a GoPro Hero 12 Black. After the sun already set, we went back to our campsite to enjoy ourselves and socialize. We lit the firewood that we brought, and the fire pit immediately gave us some warmth. This video was recorded in the fall, so the temperature was pretty cold during the night and in the morning, so the fire helped us keep warm. We all had put up our tents in a line. We had a lot of family and friends come join us in this camping experience. We are approaching the end of this video. Hope you guys like and subscribe and stay along for more future uploads.